Thanks.
Sex.
And say baseball player.
Baby Ruth.
Okay. Caterpillar.
Cantaloupe.
Okay. All right. I'd like for you to do some things now with your mouth. First thing I'd like for you to do is stick out your tongue.
Stick your tongue.
Great. Show me how you would kiss.
Show me how you love to kiss me.
There you
That's
go.
good.
Show me how you sip on a straw.
Show how loose.
Can you sip on a straw?
See what a sip sticks. See what sticks onto me.
Okay. Try this one.
See.
Wait a minute. Listen. Show me how you smile.
Show how plus me. Show how plus me. Show how plus me. Show how plus me.
Stop. Can you smile?
Can you smile at me?
Now
Can you smile at me?
Don't say what I say. I want you to do this. Watch.
What? Look at me.
Smile. There you go. That wasn't a very good one, huh? Smile.
Smile.
There you go. Chew. Show me how you chew gum.
Chew what you so my children.
Okay. Watch this. Good. All right. Cough.
Cough or you cough me. Cough.
There you go. I want you to lick your lips.
Let me lick.
Great.